Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to talk about how to make a menu on WordPress. So first of all, we should know that menu have been already made once you choose your themes or everything, you know, how you are going to edit your website. So this is my website and it's very simple. As you can see over here, our story experts, pricing and contact us. And this is very normal. This is a theme which I have input from Ezra. So how am I going to edit this? So I have opened this on my second tab and this is my dashboard from WordPress. So as you can see over here, this is the website, right? So this is the appearance of my website. So if I want to go on my dashboard and if I find my appearance, you can see over here, this is the appearance. And under that appearance, we have all those things which we will find over here because this is the appearance, right? On top. So if I go click on appearance and if I go at menu, as you can see, we have our option for menu. Click on that and it will take you right over here where you are going to manage every single thing related to menu. So there are multiple things going on over here, which I will tell you step by step. So on top, as you can see, we have our edit menus and you can select the menu like to which menu you are going to edit. So if you scroll down over here, we have our primary and store or services or about, but we just leave this edit as it is. And if you go over here, we have our menu structure over here, menu settings, add menu items. So first of all, we will see this one. So as you can see, this is the same menu as we can see over here, our story experts, pricing and contact us, all of that over here. If you click on them over here on this URL, custom link arrow, you can see that we have our URL and navigation label. So where it will take us, and obviously this is default and it has been set by its like obviously default. So we just leave it as it is. But if you want to add something, how you can do that? So on the left side, we have our add menu items. So what is going on over here? As you can see, we have our pages, like usual pages we have, like contact us page and services about. And if you click on view all of the pages will come up and home about pages. And what it does, if you click on home and click on add menu, you can see we have our menu on the front page home. And if you go over here again, click on like refresh, you will find that over here, but I don't know why it's not showing up right now. But if you go at the bottom, maybe you will find something over there, maybe over here, but it's not opening. Like obviously you can see that I can click it, but I don't know, it's not opening showing up for some reason. I don't know, maybe font color is very similar, I don't know why. So you get the idea. So you can just easily move this around. Once you move this around, this is called reordering obviously. So if I want to put my home over here and if I go refresh, it will end up over here. So you can just do that from over here and you can just add multiple pages as much as you want. So you have your search button, like you can search pages, exact page, and you can just add that over here. And if you want to delete this, so you can just go ahead and click on arrow, click on remove. Simple, right? And that's it. After that, we have our pages obviously, and after pages we have post. So if you have any post in your website, any post, and you want to share, or just imagine you have blogs, you work on blogs, right? So you can just add that particular blog to your menu on the top over here. So it's very easy. Just click on blogs or any post you want to show to your customer and click on that, and easily just like that, add to menu, you will find that option over here. I don't have any post, so that's why it's not showing up anything. That's why it is over here. We have our custom links, third one. So what is custom link? Let's just suppose people want to see your Facebook, people want to see your LinkedIn, people want to see your Instagram account, because if you're working on e-commerce, I believe you have also Instagram account. So you can just add that Instagram link from your website. If you can just search from the new tab, and after that, name that link. So I'm just going to do that real quick. So I don't know why it's not showing up right now. So I'm just gonna add YouTube, just normal YouTube link. So I'm gonna go to YouTube, copy that, and go back over here, paste YouTube, add to menu. Simple over here, right? So if I go back to my website, I hope it shows up. For some reason it's not showing up, but it will end up over here because it is the last one. So if I go back and if I click on over here, maybe it's not showing up for some reason, but maybe it's bugged for some reason, because this is the theme which I have added. So you will find that over here. So after that, You can just delete that if you don't want this, obviously, and you can just add because you want to promote your social channels, right? You can just add that from over here. We have categories. Just suppose you have your website for e-commerce, or any brand you are working on, or clothing brand or whatever. You can just find them over here, and like their categories, and you can just categorize them. Like if you have any shoes, just add that, sorry, just add that shoes on top of your menu, because if people want to go right away to your menu, or like from your menu to shoes, they can do that easily. Just they could just click on shoes. They don't need to go to category and then click on shoes. So that's why it's very important. And there is one more option which you cannot see over here. Why? Because on the top right corner we have our screen options. If you click on it, you will see more options like screen elements. Some screen elements can be shown or hidden by using the checkboxes. They can be expanded and collapsed by clicking on their headings, and arranged by dragging their headings or clicking on the up and down arrows. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on product category. So you can see we have our product category also over here. So what it does, if you have any product category, you can just choose that from over here. This one is different, and if you are working on any product, this one is different. Like you have multiple products, not your brand or anything. You can just add that from over here, and it's the same thing. Like you can just choose that from over here, or you can just search that particular one you are looking for. So last but not least, we have WooCommerce. If you like working on e-commerce, you might have WooCommerce also, like as a plugin. If you don't, just go to plugin and search that, and you will end up seeing this option also. Otherwise you won't see this. So you can just add your orders, your downloads, your addresses, all those stuff also on your menu. So you can just redrag them, and you can just edit them if you want. So it's all on you. So your menu name is footer about, and drag the item in order you prefer, obviously the same thing I have just told you. And you have your menu settings. Auto add pages, automatically add new top level pages to this menu. So if you want that, you can just do that. Display location, primary menu, secondary, canvas, it's all on you where you want that menu to be. And the last option is, you can see that whatever you are going to click on the link, it will open up on the same page. But we don't want that. Why? Because we need our customer to stay on our page. So what we are going to do, we are going to the top again on screen options, click on link target, and it will allow us to open, like to our customer to open. If they click on our story, it will open up to our new tab. They don't leave this website, because we want them to stay on that website. So that's how you are going to set up your menu. But there is another way to do that. This is the first one which you can do, and there is second way. So what it is, let me show you. Go to your appearance again, and you will find customize. Click on customize and click on leave, because our done is done over here. And what happens, if you go in menu, you can see we have our menu option over here. You will find all of those options over here also. So you can see that about and service. But if you go and view location, you can see that like you can set the location if you want, primary and everything. And on the right side you have your menu. But obviously in my opinion, that way, the first one I have just told you, this one is very popular and very easy to understand. And there's one more thing I want to tell you, that why it wasn't changing anything over here, because I didn't click on save menu. So if I want to add contacts, and if I click on save menu, so you can see it's after contact as contact, right? So if I click on uh, refresh, you can see we have our contact. So I wasn't clicking on save menu, so just remember that, click on save, otherwise it won't show up over here. So if I go ahead and click on this arrow again, remove, and if I go view all, home, or what you can say service, and I add that over here and click on save menu again, so what it does, if you click on refresh, you will find that over here services. So that's how you can easily change your make menu on your WordPress. And obviously I don't want this. And there was second way which I have just shown you, not delete menu, remove, save. And the second menu is like where you can just edit, that is from customize. So that's how you know how to make your menu on WordPress. I hope you understand every single thing. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye and take care.